I have not seen anybody actually do the makeup. They've selected the things that they like, but they haven't actually done it yet. And I was actually just recording this video and my memory and TikTok just blanked out. See, I already got to the bronzer stage. I'm so upset right now. It didn't even save it. I was about to save it. Well, what I've done so far, because I have to go pick up my daughter. I only have a few minutes to finish this. I'm 48 years old. Normal, aging, maturing skin. Primer that I had with these two out of the ones selected, I used the NYX Marshmallow Primer. I only had a little bit left, so I had to crack it open and actually get down in there. This one's really good. This one's good for long-lasting wears. I'm not doing anything major today, so I didn't need that. Marshmallow Primer feels good, smells good. We like it. I'm so distraught right now because my whole thing just got ruined. But anyways, you keep it rolling, right? I used both of these because this one was a little light, so I added a little of the dark and mixed them together, blend it in, and we move on. I didn't have any of the other foundations. For concealer, I only had these two out of the selection. This is white, so clearly we're not using that for the Pro Conceal. Is this LA Girl? What is HD High Definition? Yeah, this LA Girl. But I use that when I do, like, you know, fun color makeup looks. And then this tiny, tiny Tarte I got off at Ipsy. It came with two of them, and I was like, oh, I'm getting such a good deal. But then it showed up, and it's like the tiniest little concealer that I've ever seen in my life. So I used the tiny concealer, and it's too light, I think, but, you know, whatever. We used it. So, hey, we're back to where we were. These are the bronzers that I had. I'm going to use, I think, the Hoola one. This one is nice. It has a fun, like, summer smell. Physicians Formula. I like the Benefit, so we're going to use that and try to finish this video. Okay, little bronzer. I really would like to try that Rare Beauty stick. I like my Rare Beauty blush, and I use other Rare Beauty stuff, but I'm just going to put a little on the eye there. Just kind of, you know, just trying to get some color on the face. So we picked Hoola. What else? Okay, blush. What is that little stick one? Essence. Oh, I think I do have that Essence stick. Hold on. I do not have that Essence stick. It's an e.l.f. stick. I thought it was Essence, but it's e.l.f. That one's, it's not that great. I don't know. It's not my favorite. Anyway, but I do have the NARS. This is one of my favorite blushes. This is the Orgasm blush. It's, you can see it's been around the block. Really pretty because it's obviously pink, but it's got a little shimmer in it, which we always enjoy. So pretty. Okay, I've got 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Come on, everybody. What else? Oh, highlighter. I only have Fenty. I have the fun colored ones. I do have the Trophy Wife. I don't have that specific one, but I have the gold, and then I have this guy, this pretty one. But I think we'll go with Trophy Wife. It's gorge. Let's put a little on the eye too. You know what I mean? Or a little something something. I don't think this filter has eyeshadow. Yeah. Fenty. Okay, mascara. Okay, we got the mascara bucket. It's ridiculous. I think I have a lot of those. I have the Essence. I have the Sky High. What is that? I have that silver one. What does it say? Something real. I know I have that one, but I don't know where it is. And I can't read it. Is that a telescopic? Oh, I do have telescopic, but it's this one. Is that what that is? Ooh, so this is a tough choice, actually, because these are all really good. The Too Faced one, we're going to take that one out. Princess, always good. Sky High, love. Telescopic. The telescopic is good because I feel like it just like gets right up in there for the little guys. But the Sky High is really good too. Ooh, it's hard to pick one. I'm already using one, so I guess I've already chosen it. We should do like a top mascara video. Look at that. And I have stupid lashes, so we're gonna pick, I think that's what that says, telescopic. Oh, a lip. Oh God, I gotta go. The only one of those that I have is a NYX, the NYX Butter Gloss. I would love to try the Rare Beauty. I don't know what that is on the right. Balm Juicy? I don't know what that is. And the one in the middle, Dior. Unless they send it to me. I'm gonna go with the pink. These are so nice. Okay, there's my look. That's it. Yay, I did it. And make sure to follow for more fun makeup videos. My name's Amber Wood, over 40 makeup mom. I love doing makeup challenges. I just never get the chance to do them. Okay, I really have to go. Okay, bye.